All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna tell you that they don't really care about it. Oh no, is this gonna be the first one I get wrong? Gotta take my crazy pill. Cause I'm a crazy boy. Oh yeah. A summertime. And the living is easy. Fish are jumping, don't you know, my darling? Your daddy was rich. And your mama's good looking, yeah. And hush, pretty little baby, don't you cry. Fast money, baby, fast money. And hush, pretty little baby, don't you cry. Hey, what's up, brother? Weekend not too bad. Had some decent fights. I'm actually upset Israel Adesanya lost. But, that's okay. Was playing some Diablo 2 yesterday. Always a good time. Aussie Cola, how we doing, baby? And someone's alarm is going off. All I want to say is that they don't really care about us. You guys making big money today, right? They're wrapping. Oh shit. I hope that's wedging and not triangling. But I hope that's wedging. Otherwise we're going down, down in an alien man. And sugar we're going down swinging. A little off black. A little easier on the eyes, I guess. I don't know. It doesn't look as sharp, though. Look at that oil. $500. You're telling me. What the heck?
Announce this right here.
Oh, what's this?
The ballroom. It was, I think it was right after Charlie Kirk's death, like the day after, and then Trump was talking about the ballroom, which was really weird.
How are you holding up over the last 3.5 days? I think very good. And by the way, right there, you see all the trucks. They've just started construction of the new ballroom for the White House, which is something they've been trying to get, as you know, for about 150 years.
And then a few of us were saying, I'll bet you it's going to be like a military bunker basement. And everyone's like, ah, crazy conspiracy theorist. You know, then made fun of us.
Ceilings, everything's drone-proof and bulletproof. And unfortunately, we're living in an age where that's a good thing. And this is the view from the Treasury, opposite the Treasury. Let me see another one of them. Here's a view on the south with the porch, which is a porch, and it's also a fire stair, basically leading down to the grounds. And that porch will be magnificent, looking in between the columns. And they no longer, we took the stairs out that were on the south side and really replaced them with these stairs. So you have an open porch and you have the closed porch under the columns, overlooking the Washington Monument, the Jefferson Memorial, and the Lincoln Memorial / Monument. So that's great.
Yep, that should start dropping now. Should be spy calls in play, I'll tell you. My opinion. But it doesn't matter because I already went 6 for 6 or whatever. Fast money. Bang, bang. Yep, that's it. Just got copyrighted. Okay. Nice. $20 beer at the game. All right. All right. Why not? All right, we're looking for a little reversal here. Zoom in. There we go. Now everybody can see. What? What is this blinking? Hmm. Here we go, baby. Fast money, baby. I just want to show another piece of love to Killian and RC, which apparently are the only people in here who actually give a shit. I used to make all those investment videos, and what do people say? Oh, people like to trade. No one likes to buy and hold. Say, all right, we'll start trading. Oh, I'm too busy to trade. You got to make a video for me. What? Make up your mind. Hmm. Hmm. SMCI content only. You know what? That is a fair assessment because probably about 70% of my subscribers are here just from SMCI videos, which is fine. Again, I love it. That's fine. But, you know, there's some other things going on as well. Let's see how SMCI is holding up today, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, there she is. There she is. Again, even if they bring it down here, I don't care. Like I said, I mean, I was a buyer here. I don't give a shit. I'll go on record. I was a buyer here, 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 here. I don't give a shit. Like I said, everybody wants answers. Nobody understands in the moment. And then when it works out, oh, I knew it. I should have bought some. Ain't nobody got time for that. You know, SMCI, we just got hit with some drama, man. That's it. Got hit with some freaking drama. Stock was on fire until all that shit happened, man. Stock went from like 300 to freaking 1200. Then all of a sudden they suck, right? I don't need to go down this road. I made like a dozen videos crying about it. Spark them if you got them. Looking for the spike calls here. Looking for the spike calls. Yep. Yeah, and I haven't done videos in a while. Gonna have to make a couple of videos. Guess I can do an update on SMCI. I don't know what else we could talk about, though. I know everybody's upside down since this Iran news. Sure. Oh, back to the 70s. Oh, shit. Well, it was doing good. Beat on EPS, missed on revenue, down into the 70s. Yeah, this stock has been holding up well. As you see, it was in kind of like this sideways channel for about like 2.5 years. And you can see now we broke below this top line, so now we're kind of potentially back inside this channel. In my opinion, I still think the stock is fundamentally undervalued. However, I will say though, I saw a video, I think a guy went to like Home Depot or something, and he was showing lumber prices were coming down from like Trump's tariffs and whatnot he was talking about. So again, I mean, I still like it, but it may not be the commodity in focus right now, if you will. I still think it's more about gold, silver, steel. That's just my opinion. But yeah, I always like LPX. Again, in this environment though, it might just be very hard to time. I mean, again, I you know, 70, 71, I like it. If they again pull it back to the mid channel, I mean, you know, it could drop like 64, so you could see like a 10% drop right after you buy it here. But technically still a really good stock in my opinion. We all know the biggest winner, US Steel, baby. US Steel. Ah, what a call that one was. They could try to be me, but they can't be me. Young man refuses to work because he says he was born without his consent. Nice. Yeah, Thomas Sowell is on fire, by the way. Oof. There she is. She's not gonna be naked, is she? Because then I'll get... Alright. These girls love this guy. Jeez. My goodness. This is a great 1 hour video right here. Oh, there she is. I tell you, they can't help themselves. I tell you. Oh, let's go. No kings. Buffett, 16 million? Wow, really? Rockefeller, Soros, tens of millions. There you go. 300 million for a no kings protest. Did we all see this? Did we all see this right here? 300 million for the no kings protest. Right? That's why I laugh when these politicians speak. You got Bernie out there talking about oligarchs for like a quarter of a century. right? The oligarchs are only bad if it's on the other side of the aisle. Yes, son of a bitch. Up the dollar dropping. I mean, in my opinion, spy calls were in play. I don't know what's taking so long here. This guy's dumping water. Bro, this guy is everywhere. Oh, shit. Catch this guy falling over. Oh. Eh. Oh, there she is. Tell you, they can't help themselves. Damn, that's a big one. That's a big one. Holy shit. Lady in red. Yep. Whoops. Why would you paint the fence black? Eh, whatever. Oh my goodness. When did I've never, I don't understand this. Right? Why? 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 Now how do you eat that? Now how do you eat that? Who the hell wants to eat a burger with a knife and fork? Could have put all that cheese on those fries, it looked like. What the hell you dumping it on top of the burger for? That's what I mean. People don't know how to eat. People, it's funny. Everyone's fat, but no one knows how to eat. What's up, Lou? Yeah, I tagged you and your boy, not the one who's responded the other day, huh? It's fucking wild, bro. I'm over here getting upset at all these people for no reason. Oh, what the fuck? Show me the way. Please show me the way. Your boy's a bitch. Never took the tag out of his name. And even when I tagged him too, I was like, yo, you gonna take that out of your name? Like, what's up? I saw him go offline. Didn't even have the balls to respond to me. I don't know. It just blows my mind, man. Like I said, I don't know who people think they are, man. Like, you'll treat me some certain way, like I owe you something, like I screwed you all over, like I'm supposed to just wake up and donate all my time and shit. And like I said, I make a simple request to you guys, and it's like pulling teeth, bro. It's fucking embarrassing, honestly. Y'all should be fucking embarrassed. Y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. I never had anyone chilling here all day for me, going 6 for 7 or whatever the fuck we are. I never had anyone like that. And of course, I told Nigel to buy calls. Now we're dropping. Yeah, son of a bitch. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Yo, boy. Where's your fucking boy? It's all about the sparkles, babe. It's all about sparkles, babe. It's all about the sparkles, babe. Hey, wait, this ain't a joint, man. This is a toothpick, man. I forgot how funny that movie was. Spy calls in play, baby! In my opinion. Oh, I gotta keep saying it's my opinion. Oh my god. Oh, man down. Alright, here we go. Fast money trades. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got the birds out chirping today. What was that? 373. Chirp, 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 chirp. It's all about the sparkles, baby. Uh-huh. 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 Happy Monday. I bet everybody's real excited today. See, they're setting up for a drop, but it's supposed to be a pop. You got a pop and a drop with the dollar. I'm telling you. See? They're trying to drop it. They're supposed to pop it. Joey Bigger Donuts, how you doing, baby? Telling you, they should be dropping that dollar. I'm telling you, it should be SPY QQQ calls. Yeah, well, actually, I don't know about QQQ because they've been beating the tech down, but I mean, it's moving exactly the same pretty much. So I guess SPY QQQ calls. I just laughed though. This guy reaches out, and I'm like, yeah, SPY calls, and now that's the one thing that's not working out all day. All day, the only thing. I love it. You cannot make this shit up. That's why I laugh so hard, man. Like, I'll just make the calls in general, and I'll always be right. And then if someone reaches out, like, oh, I really need help, let me know. Let me know when something, when you see something, I say, all right, no problem. And then if I reach out and I'm like, yeah, I'd grab a SPY call here, it never works out. I've never seen anything like it before in my life. Corey the Corey, what's up, baby? Oh, excuse me. Supposed to be climbing these markets here. Let's go. Ah, yes. Good old grandma and grandpa. I don't know, they're beating it up right now. Unless we miss something. Which is possible, since apparently news comes out every 7 minutes. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. Uh-huh. Let him watch. Let him watch. My account, see if I'm rich. Nope. Actually, we're kind of going in the opposite direction. Ah, Mr. West. Yeah, we like the coffee here. Uh-huh. Oh, shit. Smack my bitch. Alright, so the dollar is dropping. Yet for some reason, everything else is. Oil above... Itchy. Oil above 103 a barrel now. Oh, man. I hope no one has to fill up their tank anytime soon. Grab more coffee, I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, we're going lower. We're going lower. Uh, man. Oh, not good. Not good, not good, not good, not good. This is not good. Not good, not good. Come on, Trump, say something. We say Trump? Going to Carolina. Freaking oil, man. Here we go. Right about now. Uh, circle for those. I mean, of course, it could still come back, but if we're talking technically fast money trade, it was incorrect. Now we're 6 for 7. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We were doing so well. I mean, you know, we do have to blame someone for this. And I don't know. Before that, I was 6 for 6. So I don't know if it was my fault. I don't know. Might be someone else's fault in here. Oh, she's going up. She's going up. She's going up. Get your dippy. Get your dippy. I'm surprised they broke it lower, honestly. Check my account, see if I'm rich. Nope. And I said, I say, hey. Oh no. What the heck? Bro, look. You see what I mean? That's all this guy does. He says he barely has free time, and this is what he does with his free time. Yep. The child's goggles were not equipped. That's extremely dangerous. I used to work in my father's factory with those hand trucks. What the? All right, this guy's just. That's Leonardo, right? The Ninja Turtle. What the heck? Wow. Yeah. Oh, there she is. Wow. Genius. Oh, we're dropping. Hey, what's up, Lace? Yeah, I mean, we were doing pretty well, and now the markets are just dropping big. I guess you can't win them all. So they say. And I say, hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah, baby, that's all you gotta do. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Like we said, they can try to keep them down all they want, but we saw what they were doing with silver and gold, so once again, they are delaying the inevitable. This is actually a wild video, if you guys ever seen that. The way they zoom in on it is freaking insane.
Administration is launching a brand new official White House app giving front row access to all news from your favorite president, Donald J. Trump. That's me. It's available today on the Apple and Android app stores.
I love this guy. He's hilarious. He should definitely do comedy after. If he's got the wherewithal. If he started like his own podcast or some shit, it'd probably be freaking hilarious. Look at this guy. Wow, this is a lot of work. Is that spelling something? Because I can't see it. Nice. Mm, my goodness. Oh, this should be hilarious. Yeah, let's just take it upon ourselves to separate a chunk of the earth. What can go wrong? People destroy anything and everything. Damn. Damn. It's like AI, but oh, okay. Yep, yep. It's taking too long. Oh, it's a doggy. Dropping. Lows of the day. With the dollar staying down. Well, I mean, it's up, but, you know, it's been coming down, but we've been dropping with it. Always something. Always dealing with something.
On the hammer. Let's go, Josh. He's got a good swing. Fast. Oh, grip strength is waning. Look at that. And there's this guy standing around all the time.
I was going to say, what's this other guy doing?
But there's one more to go. Good job. Good job. Okay, here goes Nick. The big Nick.
Nick. Up.
He's got the length. There's some power. Atta boy. All done.
Wow. Up. You just got to toss the propane tank in the lake. It's not going to work. It is not going to work. Please tell me this is AI. There she is. Corn. Wow. Corn. Oh, shit. They'll say we should be bouncing back up here. I'm very surprised, honestly. Very surprised they kept breaking this. Press Secretary indicates U.S. enhancing its leverage over Iran. Willingness for dialogue are emerging. Fitch Ratings warns of heightened demand risk for U.S. corporates due to ongoing conflict in Iran. Blah, blah, blah. Hmm. Why?
Looks like they're just about going to be topping records hopefully soon. Excuse me?
Oh my goodness, dumplings inside of a dumpling. Oh my. picture at the range before we discharge. Yep, cut them off. That's it. All right, here we go. Bouncing back. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Scooby doo 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 doo. Da 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 da. Sold his soul. Nice. Look at these idiots. Oh. Smart. Don't call it a comeback. Four to 6 weeks. Come on, bro. It should be 4 to 6 days. Like, what's going on? What weeks? What is this weeks nonsense? Like, no one else has shit to do. We can all just hang out for like 6, 8 weeks. Like, come on, bruh. Fucking amateur hour. Hope you guys bought that dip. Hold on, I gotta grab a smoke. I'll be right back. All right, come on, wake up, stay sharp. Here we go. said we're going down, down. Yeah, Palantir looks ready to drop. Really? Nice. Fully commits. All right. Doogie. Tax the rich. Good thing I'm not rich yet. Tax them. Dollar keeps rejecting off this line, man. I really thought the markets would be bouncing back. I really, really thought. But shit happens. Yeah. Wow. Do you see? Oh, that looks so bad. He's crying. Oh, no, that was wrong too. Oh, man. Genius. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, we're dropping again. There's blood in the water. Oof. Nice. Oh, oh, here we go. Oh, wow, look at that. Would you look at that? Believe. Yeah, Palantir down a couple of cents for you. And for a little bouncy.
I mailed some lawn to Mountain View Seeds so they could use it at the grass convention. It must have been so nice that they put it in the grass museum because I never got it back, and now I've got to fix this bare spot. And wait till you see what I found under the grass that I used to fix that bare spot.
Whoa. Nice. This guy's got a freaking rolling pin.
What the? I think my tape measure might be broken. Oh well, nothing a little sand can't fix.
Wow. Jeez. Videotapes into cat food bowls. Wow. Wow. Areas. Ketamine? The hell? I gotta make some videos probably. I have no idea what I'm gonna talk about, but Oh. IPO. Micron getting smacked, huh? ASTS down again. Stunned. Absolute stunner. Get out, Alcoa. I mean, I haven't mentioned it in a while, but it's on record. It's on record. Yeah, Intel's been bouncing around. Still above 40 though, I see. Nike tomorrow, huh? Interesting. Very, very interesting. For the Nike. For the Nike. Yeah, we like the Intel, yeah. Yuts, Futs, Fritz. I see Hertz and Avis and Budget. This one maybe? Nope. Oh no, I don't know. I don't know. Is it Fritz? Oh my god, oh no. Doop 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 doop. Truffles. Oh, for crying. Or is it? Or is it? I wish I knew the other rent-a-car company. Nice. Dollar. I've never heard. I've never heard of that company. Would not. Would not have guessed that one. Freaking Verizon still holding 50. Sirens are coming. Just had some big volume on DraftKings. DraftKings is green, which probably explains a lot right now. Check my account. Oof. Excuse me, I'll be right back. Oh, baby. And we're free, free falling. And we're free. Free falling. Free falling and I'm free falling in the... Yep, how those Palantir puts looking? Dollar looks like it's ready to drop. It's been slowly hanging out. Yep, we keep slipping. I don't know. I don't know. Like they say, we playing God laughs. Nice. Hell. All these bagels. Oh, what the heck? Dang. What goes on here? Alright, one more herbal refreshment, and then I really should make at least 1 or 2 videos. I just don't know what I'm going to make a video about. Oh, what do the people want? A book, he says. Who am I, Jim Cramer? Bada bing, bada bada boom. Bowling and we're free bowling and we. It's all about the sparkles, baby. Look at DraftKings going up. Look at DraftKings going up. Crazy. Cause I'm a crazy man. I was ready to break, man. It should be GLD SLV calls here, in my opinion. Dollar drops, they're going to start climbing. I mean, you could see it bottoming out, wanting to. That's what it looks like to me, anyway. Free falling Nana, free falling Nana. Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum. Another one go, another one go, another one bounce to do. I'm gonna get you to another one bounce to do. Bam, 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 bam. uh, I mean, could be an interesting strategy. I will say, I still like it. I still like it. Hanging out. Hopefully it holds that line and stays up. Might see a good little bounce back. Might see a big bounce back. Love me some hydrograph. Made people millions with that stock. Literally. Literally. There's a lot of exciting kind of up and coming names out there though that we've taken a look at. There's a lot of small cap up and coming names. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, no, Hydrograph is going to be really, really good. Again, technically, I mean, you know, we're on a good timeline. We're getting good updates. We saw good volume come in. I know more people now saw it trending, so they jumped in. You got more, maybe a couple more people on like YouTube talking about it now. But I still say, once you actually start to hear about orders and deals coming in, that's what's really going to make it explode. And you know, I know it's up big, but technically nothing has really happened yet. So I am very optimistic, to say the least. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Baby. Oh man. SpaceX IPO? Well, I mean, yeah, I guess. I don't know. I know they said what it was going to happen like in the next couple of months or something. They're trying to push it through. I don't know. Do you know anything about like what valuation they're looking for when they go public? I didn't read about it. I didn't look into it. Oh yeah, no, for sure. If it's gonna be, yeah, like the rockets and the Starlink and all that stuff. I mean, probably going to turn out to be a good investment, right? Um, Again, the problem though is that a lot of these IPOs, that well, I mean, they pop big out of the gate, most of them, but a lot of them are overvalued, and I mean, even like a trillion market cap probably is overinflated, in my opinion, right? So, I mean, you'll probably see it go up and then down. So, in my opinion, I would probably wait for a little bit more of an attractive price. However, you have to remember that it's Musk and he has a proven track record. So, what you're probably going to see is, regardless of what the valuation is, it's probably going to move like 100% on day one because everyone's just going to buy. They'll freaking full pour it into it. They'll sell the other shit to buy some and just hold it. They won't care what's going to happen because, in their mind, they're going to make 10,000% guaranteed because it's Elon Musk. So that one is going to go up before it goes down. But as we get closer to the day, and again, if we really crunch the numbers of how much Starlink is bringing in, I'm sure we'll see that it's overvalued out of the gate. But long term, absolutely, like you said, definitely a lot of potential for that long term. Yeah, no, for sure, for sure. If you're able to get in and put a buy in as soon as it starts trading, you're probably going to make easily, in my opinion, 50 to 100%, if not more, right? Because it's probably going to open up 30, 50%. You know what I'm saying? So you're going to have to be quick on day one. But that's what I think is going to happen. And again, it happened. It happened with a lot of names. A lot of people don't realize that. I was at the firm. I was working at the firm. I don't remember if I was licensed yet, but I was at the firm when Facebook went public. And everyone, I mean, now you can see in hindsight, wow, it was a great buy. Company grew like an animal. But at the time, it was overvalued right out of the gate. And it went up and then it went down. And a lot of people forget that. They took the top end of the range. It was like 40, $42 or something like that. And it went up to like 45, 48, and then it slowly pulled back to like 17, which was the original bottom range of the IPO before they got greedy. When they first were talking about going public, the initial range was $17 to $21. Then it was like 21 to 24, and then it became like 26 to 30. They kept bumping it up. And then I think they got listed at like 40. And it went up to like 46. And then it went all the way back down to the bottom of the range of 17. So that's why I say, if they're coming out trillion market cap, if you're able to see a dip, probably like, 600-700 billion, like that'd be the time to start buying in my eyes. But again, if someone told me, oh, I'm planning to put, 50 grand into it, but on day one, I'm only going to start with like 5 and keep an eye on it, then I can kind of understand. But yeah, definitely one to watch. Definitely one to watch. Because again, like we said, with PayPal, with Tesla stock, right? Everyone's going to want it. Everyone's going to buy it that first day or two. And then probably reality is going to start to set in, Yeah, I just realized we're dropping. Oh my goodness. is getting so tight. It's getting tight like a toy. Wow, that really pissed me off though, man, because we were nailing trades all day. And then you were supposed to bounce, and all of a sudden now you're just dropping and dropping and dropping. Crock of shit. Brother, thanks, you too. Appreciate it. Appreciate the kind words. Have a good day, man. Look at this nonsense now. Huh. Interesting. Okay, dollar climbing. Dollar gap up. Nasdaq down almost 200 points. The sell-off is real. We were setting up for a drop on the dollar in my eyes. That's what it really looked like in my opinion. And usually dollar goes down, stocks go up. But dollar came down, as you see, just kind of flattened out for about the last 2 hours, but markets have continued to slip that entire time. Got our dividend payers holding up. Oil holding 103. I still say I'm very surprised gold and silver is not up more. And look at this now. What are they going to flag it and pop it? Yeah, unfortunately, that's what it looks like. I mean, on paper, again, on paper, I kind of disagree. However, if we were at 7,000 and we're going to pull it back to 6,300, right? There's your 10%. There's your 10% on your S&P. And now look at this. Oh, man. Good thing we nailed a couple of trades before the bullshit started. Yeah, for real, right? Just tank the market 5% right now, get it over with. That way we can all just buy calls and bounce back tomorrow. Gold and silver now almost flat as the dollar is rising above daily resistance. I honestly can't wait for this whole Iran thing to be over with. Because we were kind of doing great. I mean, we're still doing good, but you know what I mean. Just gotta eliminate the drama, eliminate the bullshit. Just let me work. Just let me work. Can I live? Can I live? Still say they're up in that penthouse laughing their ass off. They're charging for Instagram now? That's hilarious, bro. Company makes so much money, and now they also need subscriptions for Instagram. It's sad. It's just sad, honestly. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Well, the good news is if you bought any puts, those are working out well. As we are at lows of the day again. Lows of the low. They say you can't get much lower than this. And the market said, don't believe me, just watch. And it looks like it's wedging, bro. I'm telling you, man, I want to keep screaming calls. But they have obviously been incorrect for the last 2 hours. It's a shame, because before that, we were doing great. What goes on here? I honestly blame Killian for everything. Yeah, it's not my fault. Look at the oil now. Look at the oil. That's USO calls. Man, like all day, that should be USO calls right there. USO calls right there. USO calls. I'll say it over here. The USO calls. Bada bing, bada boom. The USO calls. The pain ends when they stop having fun, which might not be for a while. Technically, the play should be USO calls here. I promise I'm not crazy. Well, maybe I'm a little bit crazy, but I know a thing or two about a thing or two. S&P 63, 35, 34. Oh my. The Dow hanging on. Ladies and gentlemen, we are dropping. I'm just waiting for a general or something to tweet something. $63, 32 and a half. 63.31. Wow. Yeah, I just got off the phone with Trump. He said he's got no tweets for us. There's a lot of tweets for us. 63.30. Yep, oil slowly climbing. Destroying the stock market while it does it. Puts here, get your puts here. All three major indices red across the board. They are laughing their ass off. I promise you. Watching all the money flow into the market. People think they're buying dips. Meanwhile, they're just dropping it. Dropping it. We should be seeing more of a bump in gold and silver. I swear I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. I swear. And we know what's going to happen. It's probably going to work out tomorrow or the next day. And I'm going to be sitting here, who's crazy now? Right? And you guys are all going to be like, wow, this guy's freaking crazy. I got to get out of here. See what happens? See what happens? Ripple effect. Up. USO calls. Up. Up. Hit up, up, up. See? They want to bullshit us and make that last SPY trade incorrect. That's fine. But we ain't going to be wrong like that across the board now. Come on. You got to trust the process now. It's a numbers game, baby. It's a numbers game. Don't take the bat out of my hands. Y'all want to win? Put Booby in. I'm about to spin. Oil highs of the day. Oil highs of the day approaching 104 a barrel. Oil on the move, up 2.75%. Oil pop above 104 a barrel. Oh, why does it taste so sweet? Also, if you just jumped in index puts, you're up already. There's a bump up to 104.20 a barrel. S&P down to 63.20. There's blood in the water. USO calls FTW. Silver now slightly red. Dollar still hanging out at 100.5 for the most part, up about 1/3%. Oh, why does it taste so sweet? That's pretty flat. That is just falling off the screen. Hmm. 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 Oh, for crying out. That's fun. Alright. That's enough of that. Alright. What am I supposed to do, guys? I'm supposed to make a video about SMCI or something? I don't know what to do. Just talk about how awesome Hydrograph is doing? What do I do? What do I do? I don't know what to talk about. The oil is too strong. Check my account, see if I'm rich. Not even close. Oh, we're not even close. All about the USO calls. Because they want to take oil to the frickin' moon. And make everything even more expensive. Alright, everybody. I'm actually gonna try to, maybe bang out a video or two real quick for everyone else who wasn't here on the stream for, whatever. I don't know what I'm going to talk about, but I'll do a video or two. But, decent day today. Just crappy afternoon. But it is what it is. Again, we take what the market gives us. Try not to force any trades. I still think oil's probably still going to be in play. And I do personally still like GLD SLV calls. But we're not really seeing much movement on it. It is what it is. Markets look like it's setting up to go lower, actually. Still looking like SPY puts going into the close. That's wild. They're going to bring it down to 6,200 or whatever. About 62 and a quarter. Clean break. It is what it is. Alright. Appreciate your time. Appreciate your support. Hope everyone had a good day. Have a good evening. I'll see you guys tomorrow.